Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your RAM 1500 louder. First, we'll explore various exhaust system modifications that can significantly enhance your truck's sound. We'll cover popular options like catback and axleback systems, discussing their impact on volume and tone. Then, we'll delve into the differences between a muffler delete and installing a performance muffler, helping you choose the best path for your desired sound. Get ready to give your RAM that aggressive roar you've been wanting. When choosing an exhaust system, catback options replace everything from the catalytic converter rearward, often providing the most noticeable sound change and potential performance gains. Axleback systems are simpler, replacing just the muffler and tailpipes, offering a quicker sound upgrade. For more refined yet aggressive sound, performance mufflers are an excellent choice, designed to optimize exhaust flow and amplify your truck's natural rumble without being overly harsh. Beyond full exhaust systems, other modifications can also contribute to a louder RAM 1500. Installing performance headers can improve exhaust scavenging, leading to a more aggressive tone and slight volume increase. A cold air intake won't make your exhaust louder, but it will add a satisfying, throaty induction sound from the engine bay. Additionally, a resonator delete is a cost-effective way to achieve a much louder exhaust note, though it might introduce some drone. Before making any modifications, always check your local noise ordinances to ensure your new exhaust system complies with legal limits. Some areas have strict regulations on vehicle sound levels, and you'll want to avoid any fines. Also, be mindful of emissions regulations. Certain modifications might affect your truck's ability to pass inspections. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your louder RAM 1500 responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.